Most passive income apps like Gain don't generate money in the background on their own. They usually pay users for completing tasks, watching ads, or installing offers that still require active time and attention. By the end, you'll know what Gain actually does, how people try to earn with it, and whether it realistically fits as a side income app or just occasional small rewards. Gain works as a reward-based platform where users complete simple online actions. These actions usually include things like trying apps, completing surveys, or interacting with partner offers. Each completed task gets tracked inside the app and converts into in-app balance. That balance is not real money until you request a withdrawal. The app typically converts points or credits into cash or gift card options depending on what is available in your region. This is where most people misunderstand it. The earning part and the cash in hand part are not the same thing. The next thing to understand is consistency. The app only pays when tasks are available, and task availability is not stable. Some days you might see more offers, other days very few. That makes it unpredictable compared to a regular job or even steady freelance apps. There's also a trade-off most users notice. Higher paying tasks usually require more effort, like installing and testing apps, or completing longer surveys. Faster tasks tend to pay less. So the time you spend often scales directly with the reward you get. When it comes to cashing out, the process is usually straightforward inside the app, but it depends on meeting the platform's withdrawal requirements and choosing from the available payout methods. Some users prefer gift cards because they are processed faster, while others wait for cash options depending on what is supported. So is Gain legit? It generally operates as a real rewards platform, but it is not passive income in the traditional sense. You are trading time for small digital rewards, not building automated earnings. If you try it, treat it like a microtask app. Focus on short sessions, avoid over-investing time, and check availability before expecting consistent payouts. To sum it up, Gain is task-based, not passive. Earnings depend on activity, not automation. And payouts exist, but they come from completing offers rather than long-term income streams. If you want more breakdowns like this on side income apps, like the video and subscribe.